Hello everyone, howo H75 rescue truck is a good helper for road safety and small traffic. The chassis is equipped with sinotruk H77 L cab, the main and tooth seats with airbags, driving comfort and safety. German diesel engine, its power is 213 kilowatt. Wheelbase is 7.4 meters. Front axle 7.5 tons. Rear axle 11 tons to ensure the stability of the truck. Electric doors and windows, central control lock, heating and cooling air conditioning, 8-speed manual transmission, 1100 steel tire, 300 liters fuel tank, complete configuration. 6mm thick pattern plate. The total length of the board 10 meters. The main board 9 meters. The tail with 1 meter hydraulic turnover plate, 2.55 meters wide, bilateral joint operation. 15 tons of 3-section rear bracket, easily towed 25 tons of semi-trailer or scrap car. Is it what you want?